Welcome back to Crafty Quilting Designs. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'll give you a quick update on what the split 9 patch looks on my bed. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful and it lays really flawlessly and really nice on the bed. So I'd love to see yours, so don't forget to send me a link on Instagram and let me see what it looks like. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and of course give it a thumbs up. And again, don't forget to check me out again on Crafty Quilting Designs for my next video tutorial next week. See you then. Do enjoy. Bye.